In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your graphics and change them here in Lock 2 in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This guy's trying to ore farm right now. Get out of here, buddy. Essentially begin by hitting the three dots up in the top left and then hit the three lines to open up the menu page. Go ahead and hit settings on your menu page and go to the graphics tab just like so. And what you need to do is reduce your graphics. Stuff like your visual effects, turn them to either medium or low. Flow effects, put them on either medium or low. And then of course you could turn off like 3D effects and textures, for example, which don't make that big of a difference if we're being honest. But they can create lag if they're turned on, so you could turn them off and it's going to fix that immediately. From here, what you need to do is back out of this section and open up the Roblox menu by selecting the little Roblox thing, hit settings, and what you need to do is scroll down on here, find the option for graphics mode and put it on manual. And essentially what you need to do is just adjust your graphics quality right here as well, and adjust your frames as well. Now, if you are still having issues and it's not necessarily your graphics that's the problem, you probably need to switch your server. So go ahead and select those three dots again, three lines again, go into your settings, hit other up at the very top and change your matchmaking region to fit something that better works with you. But that is it. That is the full process. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.